Did you know 9 expert hikers vanished in the most terrifying way possible? February 1959, 9 experienced Soviet mountaineers set up camp on Kholat Syakhl Mountain. They were seasoned explorers, well-equipped and prepared for harsh conditions. That evening, they wrote in their diaries and took group photos before sleeping. 3 weeks later, searchers found their tent cut open from the inside. All 9 had fled barefoot into a -30-degree blizzard wearing only underwear. Their bodies were discovered over several months, some with massive internal injuries. No external wounds, but trauma equal to a car crash. Missing eyes and tongues, radiation traces on their clothing. The Soviet government sealed the case files until 2079. 60 years later, nobody knows what made them run.